Hello. So today in this video I will discuss how to write PHP code inside HTML. First of all, you should know what advantage, otherwise which kind of the situations you can write PHP code inside the HTML. Whenever if you want to display any information in the client side, you know already HTML is the client side scripting language and PHP is the server side scripting language. So what is happening inside the HTML, you can write the PHP code, and even you can write inside the PHP also the HTML code, and even without HTML also you can write PHP code. But here what is happening, whenever you want to display some information which is coming from the server sides, and that code, that processing and something is happening in the PHP, okay, so such kind of the concept you can apply here with the help of the writing the PHP code inside the HTML. And you have a flexibility, you can write anywhere the PHP code. Okay, so one thing is, again I want to say, you write only the normal HTML file, no PHP code, but you can give the extension of that file is .php, and that you can run also, then only the HTML output will come. That also is possible. So I will see today in this video all of that possibilities which we can do. Okay, and once if you are doing any kind of the mistake in the PHP syntax also, what will happen? Generally in the HTML, if you are doing any mistake, nothing is happening, at least some part will come. But in the PHP, if you are doing any kind of the mistakes, what will happen, that also we'll see. So we'll start again for the one small program. So in Notepad again I will use. So in that Notepad again basic HTML code I am writing here. So after the head again title PHP program. This is a complete HTML code again, but the file extension of this, the extension of this file I will give .php, and the location of the file we have to save inside the web server root directory. That means in my system web server is there, so I will save that this file inside the web folder www, and again I'll create some folder. In that folder only I will save this file. So now we can close title. Very simple program writing. Okay, then after the body, then you can see here I'm writing here h1 align center my PHP program. Very simple one. Then close again here h1, then close body part. Okay, and then close HTML. So you can see here, not a single place I use the PHP code, only the complete this code is the HTML. So now I will save this file, but the extension of this file I will give, .php. So you see the location of this file, because this you cannot save outside, so we have to save inside the web folder only, because in my system web server is there. If your system XAMPP is there, then inside htdocs, suppose that if you are using the lamp, then we can go again for the bad www HTML folder you can put that. Already I think you know all of these things because I discussed in the last video. So in this folder again I will save this file. So I am writing here my PHP program .php, and that I will give the extension is double quote only. Inside the double quote only I will put the informations. Save this file. Now I'll just check my server is running or not. No, here web server is not running. So in that case I will start web server. Yes, I started now. Green color is coming here W, so I can see this program. So what is my file name? My php.php, and that is that I save inside the which folder? I already save inside the test PHP folder. So how I'll see the output? Localhost test php my php, this is the file name, dot extension is the php. Enter. You see coming here na? This is coming due to the this line only, and this is the again the complete HTML code. Now you can write anywhere, nothing like that one I will write that one the after the body part, before the body part, anywhere you can write. That's like a javascript flexibility is there na? Same way you can write here again. So suppose that you want to display this message itself only with the help of the php. Okay, this message you want to display with the help of php. So what we can do here, I can write here php tag here. I will write here php tag here, angle bracket question mark php, and there again I will close. So between of this one only, this is the opening of the php, this is the closing of the php tag. So inside this only I have to write. So you can write here echo space double quote, and this is again close double quote. Yes, you see this statement we written here na? Right. Now I will save this file, and you see output is how it is coming. Output coming same na? I will change color, then we'll get a idea. So I can change color here, style color colon red I will put. Yeah, this is inline css I added along with the html only. You can refresh. Yes, working. So what happened, you can put anywhere the php code, but here you see this information is not coming from the server side. Here what happened, client side only. Again, if you want some information you can display. And same thing, suppose that you want to title also with the help of the php. Somewhere I mean the web page title is also the dynamic only. Okay, first page title different, second page different, third page different, and dynamically they want to change, they can change with the help of the php only. So in that case again, here after the title again you can use the php syntax, right? Close here, and then again the echo command double quote, close this once, done. Control S. I will add one more things, test php title, then we'll get the idea. Then you can refresh. Yeah, you see in the here top only, you see the my mouse cursor coming here na? So what the indication of this ones, anywhere you can write the php code without any problem. And here you see nothing like that one, something is coming from the server only I can write. Okay, if something is coming from the server, then if you want to display that also we can do. I am giving the very simple example for you. I want to display the server side date. Client side your date is coming here, but the server side, suppose that if you want to fetch the US server, so US server side might be the date and timing will be the different na? Okay, so that information if you want to display here, that how you can do. So in that case, very simple one. After this again I'm just putting here, you can use again the php tag. I'll use center only, then it is a visible for you. Center, close center, right? And here I can use php tag. Yes, and my intention to display the date and time. Okay, so I can use here echo date, this is the date function, and then month hyphen day hyphen month hyphen year, this is the format. Okay, inside the double quote, single quote, anything you can write, and then again h colon I colon s, and then am and the pm we can see. Now you can refresh, close single quote, and this one you do Control S. Yes, yeah, coming here na, you see date is coming pakka, Today date is the 2nd December 2020 coming, but you see the timing. My timing is showing here 11:13 a.m., but it is showing here 5:42 56 a.m. it is showing. So this is the difference na. Why it is the difference? It is not taking the time zone of the India. This is not taking the time zone of India. By default it is taking from the America only. So you have to set the time zone. For setting the time zone, what we have to do, we have to use the one function that is called the date default time zone set. Date default date hyphen default hyphen not hyphen underscore time zone underscore set. And here the Indian time zone is the Asia slash Calcutta. Yes. So now we already want to display the date of this time zone only. Then you refresh. Yes. Now see, timing is coming na pakka. Getting my point? Right? Suppose that you want to display the day also. So what we can do? I want to display along with the message echo today's day is. Yes, you see this is the complete statement, and then again I want to concat the string. I want to concat the string of the day, so that again I have to fetch from the date function only. So how to fetch date single quote L we have to write and semicolon. And one more things, I want this information into the next line. So either here you can use BR before displaying these ones, otherwise here again you can use the BR. Yes, Control S. Now you refresh and you see, yeah, today's day is Wednesday. Today is the Wednesday. You see here, calendar also is showing Wednesday na coming. Right, if you want little bit bold again, this value is little bit again this one. So you have two options, either before of this PHP you can write the HTML code, otherwise inside the HTML PHP itself only you can write the HTML code. So I will show first of all before only. So I can write here B bold style, and I'll put the some color here, color colon blue. I will increase the font size also, font hyphen size colon, we can go for 20px, right? And this B I will close after the PHP tag. Inside this one simply you cannot write, right? Control S. Now I will see the output. Yes, you see coming big now. Okay, so this is the one way. Another way, what is there, I want to keep inside the again the along with the PHP itself. So this is the your echo. Just see, I want this inside this echo, this date only I want different color, and that code I will write inside the where, inside the PHP. So you see double quote paragraph I am writing here, P style equal to single quote. One things you have to keep in your mind, that is the very important, and this is common for almost all programming language. If outside if you are giving the double quote, inside you cannot use again any double quote. Always we have to use the single quote. That is the beauty of the programming in any programming language. If you are putting inside a double quote, again double quote, that they will consider as a error. Not only the PHP, this is the almost in the almost all programming language. Inside the double quote you can use single quote, otherwise inside the single quote you can use double quote. Again I am repeating, inside the double quote, suppose that outside you have a double quote, so inside only you can use multiple times single quote only, and if suppose that outside you have a single quote, then inside you can use only the double quote. So depends. So here I am using the double quote, so inside single quote. Generally this is the double quote for inline CSS, but here we have to write the single quote. This is the very common mistakes the person is doing. Single quote color colon, I can give green, right? And then again the semicolon, single quote, and then we have to close this paragraph, and then we have to close the double quote. You see, up to this much complete HTML code. Okay, here one small changes I am doing. Double single semicolon is the single time. Now see, this is complete HTML code that we keep inside the double quote. Open the double quote and close the double quote, right? And inside whatever the things you are writing, so that we have to write inside the single quote if it is required. Okay, so this again we have to concat, so dot along with the PHP one, and we have to give the closing here na. So closing before the br I want to giving, depends on where you want to give. Okay, so control s, now you refresh and you see coming na green color, and this much of the space is coming. Why it is coming? Two times I put one here, again I put p and one more br, so due to the p again one more is line breaking, and the br is again one more line breaking, right? So this way you can write anywhere HTML in the PHP. Okay, and inside the PHP also the HTML, and the server information also you see date and timing is coming from the server information now. Okay, so this is the one thing. One is small and the big common mistakes. If you are doing any mistake, okay, like any other programming language, what is happening? You do the mistake, compile it, you can see which line you did the mistakes here. But in PHP that is the problem, because not PHP, any server side scripting language, so that mistakes you can see in the log file. Otherwise we have to use the echo and we have to check. Okay, so just see, I am just doing the small mistakes. I will just inside this PHP code one semicolon I removed, I missed to put the semicolon. Okay, so now I want to see the output of this page. What will happen? I'm just refreshing. Yes, here I am getting, here I am, this is the my local server. Client and the server both are available in the same system. So I am getting the some error, I mean the suggestion ki what mistakes I did. Okay, line number 17 some mistake is there, but same code once I will deploy in this ones, you cannot disclose by default error to the clients. If you are writing that, they have one option that is called the error underscore reporting. I'll just show you here again. This is the default setting in the local one. I can write one line beginning of the file only, that is the PHP function only. Yes, error underscore reporting, and then I can put here 0. We'll see what is happening. Refresh, and I'll change 1 and we'll see. Error underscore reporting 1. Actually with the help of this one in the server also, local it is not working. Local by default it is the managing to display the error, but in the server with the help of this one you can manage again the displaying the error. Okay, so here we can see again the error. Oh, this line something mistake is happening, but you see other HTML output is also not coming, and will not get again the proper again information like any other compiler where you did the mistakes. Where you did the mistake, that information will not get. Okay, same program, same file I will show in the live server only. Just 1 minute, just you see, I will just show you that file in the live server only. It is just logging to the control panel. I think net connection is a little bit slow for me. 1 minute, it's just logging. Okay, I'll upload this file in the server. Just uploading same file I am uploading here. C drive WEM64 www. test PHP, I think. What is the file? Yes, test PHP is the folder, and my php.php, this is the my file name. Okay, you see, this is the live only I'm just doing. Now I'll see the output. So opening the server link, my php.php, this is the my file name. Now we'll see syntax error expected, this ones. Now I remove that line, I'll put 0, and then I'll upload again file back to the server. I changes in the local system only na, so again I'll change. Yes, refresh. 1 minute, I will just remove this line. Controlling is there. One controlling is there, you can control if you want to display error to the users or not, otherwise blank page will come. Line number 18. One minute, I'll just show you practical only. Just opening that file, I'll edit here only. Just I will add here. This is the live again. Okay, so display error 0, importing this, I'll make 0 now. Save, refresh. Save. This is the output is coming. I'll do the some other mistake. What mistakes I'll do? I will do here inside the single quote I'll put double quote here. This is again one kind of the mistake only. Error reporting 0, display error 0. This I have to set Control C, file open, don't say test. Actually that should not come, suggestion also should not come. Okay, no issue. So this again I will check, but like this one again you have a one function error reporting or e underscore all you can display, otherwise 1 minute, I'll put 1 and I'll just see. Actually, what happened? Almost now the all of the server that is running 7.1 version of the PHP, up to the 5.5% that function was working, but 7.1 so many things they changes. Okay, error reporting also. So that again I will check, but the such kind of the options is that if you want you can display error, otherwise if you want you can block the error also. Okay. So in this way, you can write the HTML program in the PHP and the HTML. You can manage the error. You can display the date and time, like this kind of the things. So in this video, I think you got all of this idea. Next video again, I will try to put the another informations. So thanks for your patience.